says they're hiring. Instead of them coming out and offering us a job, they want to call the cops on us. Huh? See if they're practicing social distancing out here today. That guy doesn't even have a mask on.
Entre Vistas interviews today, Tuesday through Thursday. Well, not today, but we're getting the information, which is good for now.
Why you are recording the building?
Huh? Back up, man. Back up.
No. You have to stop. This is a private property.
Don't approach people like that, man. Go
All
away.
I will talk to the police.
Who cares?
Hey, this is a sidewalk.
Yeah, pero la field is...
It's a private property.
Hey, stop.
We know that. We know
stop
it's private
crying.
property. But we're on a sidewalk.
That's right. Sidewalk, man.
It's a sidewalk.
It's a sidewalk.
The police are going to come and they're going to tell you that this is a sidewalk. What we're doing is perfectly legal and not worry about it. So I'm just going to give you a heads up. And when they come and they tell you that, you want to get him to apologize?
Yeah, get him to apologize.
I mean, it's rude. You're just turning your back. I'm giving you advice what's going to happen. The cops are going to come out and they're going to tell you what we're doing is perfectly legal.
Hey, the cops are gonna tell you to stop being llorones, to stop being crybabies. Pinches llorones chillones.
What's the reason you guys are filming? I'm just curious. What's the reason you guys are filming? I'm just curious. No, but like, what's the reason?
What's the reason you approach people in public and ask them weird questions?
No, it's because this is private property, and it's not a weird question. It's just a regular question.
It's pretty awkward.
Not really.
Yeah, you normally stop on a couple of men that are working on the street, ask them what they're doing.
When they're filming private property, yeah.
Okay, what's your reason for approaching us exactly?
Because
For the photography or because we're men?
I'm a guy too. What do you mean?
Well, I don't know. You're talking to us, trying to get our attention, hollering at us from across the street.
Just because you're filming private
Hey,
property.
how's your game with women, man?
Huh?
How's your game with women?
I got a girlfriend, so I don't know.
You got game?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So you know how to talk to girls and
What does it
stuff.
have to do with anything?
Oh, I thought you were
bro?
just trying to practice on us. My bad, dude.
No, I'm not gay.
No, I wasn't saying nothing about being gay. I just thought you were trying to be social, man.
Nah, bro.
It has
I was
nothing
just
about
wondering.
you know, gender or anything like that,
Nah,
man.
no. I was just wondering. That's it, bro.
Nah,
I'm
we're
not
just
trying
out
to
here
talk-
filming in public, man.
I'm not
Okay,
trying
okay.
to.
Let me just interject now because I understand where you're headed and what you said. So when you came out, you cordially said, hey, well, first of all, you called us over from across the street. You were yelling at us from across the street, number one. You wanted to talk to us. So then when you approached us, you said, hey, why are you guys filming? I'm just curious.
Mm-hmm.
I'm just curious. You emphasized, I'm just curious, like 3-4 times that you're just curious. And then after the 4th time, when you got a response, you told us that then it changed dramatically into private property. So then I'm thinking, oh, you're not just a random guy that's just really curious. You just came up with that. You just came up with that because that's probably
the lack of
a good
intelligence
way
right
to
there, man.
backdoor into it with private property.
What do you mean? That is the reason.
Hey,
Yeah, that's
but
what
you
I'm
know what?
saying. And I'm giving you a compliment and
But
you're not
wait.
even knowing it.
No. Why are you guys so mad? Like, there's no
Nobody's
reason
mad,
to be-
man.
Nobody's
Well, like,
mad. But
yeah.
what I'm telling you is, it's nobody's business what we're doing when we are in public.
That's right, man. That's right.
That's the bottom line.
We don't have a contract with you, or we're not obligated to have a conversation. We're just
That's
here
true.
cordially, just
Right.
a
Yeah,
cordial
that's true.
conversation.
And like if I worked here or
That's true.
anywhere and you walked by me and I said, hey man, why are you wearing a Just Do It sweatshirt?
It should say, let's do it, man. It
You know
should
what I'm
say,
saying?
let's
Yeah.
do
It's
it.
nobody's fucking business.
Yeah, I guess. Yeah.
No, it's not. I guess it is, man.
Hey, but you said something that caught my attention. This guy brought out a lot of good highlights, but what I wanted to highlight for you is that you came out and said this is private property. Now, are you talking about where we're at, or are you talking about what we're filming?
Where you're filming.
Oh, okay. So you don't think that this is private right here, right?
I don't think so.
This is called the public sidewalk, man. This
Yeah, I
is open
know.
to public, so the public street or the public sidewalk, this
I
is
know,
public.
I know.
We don't cross into your property. If we're out here on the public, then anything
I
that
know
we
you were
can see
just
with
taking
our eyes.
pictures of over there.
Hold on, man. Hold on.
You're missing
I know,
the
but you're
sense.
missing the
Wait,
point,
no,
dude.
no, no.
Anything that I can
Wait,
see
bro,
with my eyes, I
guys,
can
I'm
film
working
it.
right now, but I just came to ask you a question. That's it.
No, I know, but I'm
working.
trying to explain to you.
So I'm
So
gonna
now
go back
next
to
time.
work.
We're trying to help you.
I'm gonna go back to
We're
work.
trying to help you. It's 15 more seconds.
I know,
Just to
15 more
help you.
seconds to get the point across, man.
What?
Anything that, if we're out here on the public, anything that we can see with our eyes or anything that my camera can see, we can film it, man. It's not against the law.
If I
No.
want to come in front of your house and film from the public sidewalk into your house from an open window where there's drapes are open, it's legal.
It's legal, man.
Did I say I would do it?
Hey, you're the one coming and approaching men on the sidewalk, man.
He's trying to make a point. Now he's accusing me of being weird.
Hey, you're a
I wouldn't
weirdo,
do
man.
that. I'm just telling you the law, man.
Hey,
That's
stop
the
being a
law.
weirdo.
Get educated, go back, and bury your head in the sand.
Yeah, ostrich.
So no matter how weird with that guy, it went nowhere. Absolutely nowhere.
He said, I'm going to go back to work. He should have been working.
I was gonna say, man, no matter how much we tried, it was a fail with that guy.
Yeah. Some people just don't want to listen,
Just couldn't figure it out.
right?